Wait, my favorite actor is a robot? Sounds like the plot twist of a sci-fi blockbuster, right? But what if I told you this is actually happening right now, in our world? The entertainment industry is changing faster than ever, and the next big celebrity might not even be human. Picture this, it's Friday night, you're curled up on the couch with your friends, snacks in hand, ready to binge the hottest new show. The whole internet is buzzing about the star, Alex Knight. Everyone's talking about him. He's the face on every magazine cover, the name trending on every social feed. Alex has it all, charm, talent, and a mysterious edge. He does his own stunts, nails every interview, and his social media is a masterclass in cool. Fans can't get enough of his behind-the-scenes stories, his perfectly timed tweets, and those viral dance challenges. You're a super fan, until out of nowhere you stumble on a headline that stops you cold. Hollywood's first fully AI-generated superstar. You can't believe your eyes. Is this a joke? A publicity stunt? You blink, rub your eyes, and read it again. But it's true. Alex isn't a real person at all. He's a digital creation, a complex web of code and algorithms. Every interview you watched, scripted by AI, those jaw-dropping stunts, crafted with digital wizardry, the flawless Instagram posts, the witty replies, the viral videos, all generated by an algorithm designed to be the perfect celebrity. There's no real person behind the screen, just lines of code working overtime to keep fans hooked. Suddenly everything feels different. You start to wonder, can you really be a fan of someone who doesn't exist? What does it mean to connect with a digital persona, to cheer for a character who's never actually lived? This isn't just science fiction anymore. The line between what's real and what's digital is vanishing before our eyes. We're living in a world where technology can create stars out of thin air, and the difference between human and AI is getting harder to spot. AI celebrities are quickly becoming the next big thing in Hollywood. Directors, producers, and fans are all grappling with what this means for the future of entertainment. Are we ready to embrace stars who are pure imagination, brought to life by technology? Whether you're excited or skeptical, one thing's for sure. We're all front row for a revolution that's changing the way we watch, connect, and believe in our favorite stars. So buckle up, because the future of fame is here, and it's about to get a whole lot more interesting. AI celebrities aren't just a one-off. They are becoming a significant part of our digital landscape, blending seamlessly into our daily lives. Virtual influencers like Lil Miquela and Emma.Graham already have millions of followers. These digital personas are crafted with such precision that they rival their human counterparts in popularity. They post, collaborate with brands, even drop music, looking so real you'd never guess they're digital. Their presence is felt across various platforms, making them versatile and highly marketable. Why are they so popular? They're always perfect, never tired, and always on brand. Unlike human influencers, they don't have off days or scandals that can tarnish their image. They can travel anywhere instantly, never age, and never get into scandals. This makes them an ideal choice for brands looking for consistent and reliable representation. The tech behind them is wild. AI that mimics human faces, voices, and personalities. Advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques are used to create these lifelike digital beings. Programmers are giving them backstories and even letting them chat with fans in real time. This interaction makes them more relatable and engaging to their audience. Imagine talking to your favorite star, only it's an AI that knows everything about you. Right now, they're influencers, but the potential applications are endless. Next up, fully independent AI actors designed for any role, adapting to audience feedback. These AI actors could revolutionize the film and entertainment industry. The entertainment industry is on the edge of a massive shift. Traditional methods are being challenged by these digital newcomers. Digital newcomers are leading the charge. They are pushing the boundaries of what is possible and redefining the concept of celebrity. It's a whole new world of fame. The line between reality and digital is blurring, and the future of entertainment is being rewritten before our eyes. Why are studios so hyped about AI actors? Simple money and control. Human stars cost millions. AI actors? Use them again and again for a fraction of the price. No salaries, no trailers, no personal chefs. Need them younger, speaking another language, or doing wild stunts? Just a few clicks. AI actors work 24/7, never complain, never get tired, and no scandals, no bad tweets, no messy breakups, no PR disasters. Studios control everything. The look, the voice, the personality. It's all the star power, none of the drama. Lower costs, total creative control, zero risk. No wonder studios are all in. For Hollywood, it's a business dream come true. But here's where it gets weird. Who owns the AI celebrity? The studio? The programmers? What if the AI starts creating its own content? If an AI writes a hit song, who gets the award? The computer or the coder? This blurs the line between tool and creator. AI isn't just a paintbrush, it's making creative choices. That could change how we think about art itself. And what about real actors? If studios can design perfect digital stars, what happens to human talent? The dream of Hollywood stardom might shift from acting to coding. The biggest question: how do we trust what's real? AI can fake people, voices, even videos. The same tech that entertains us could also spread misinformation. It's powerful and risky. Can you really be a fan of a fake person? It's a question that seems more relevant now than ever before. We love actors for their talent, but also for their humanity, their stories, struggles, and real emotions. These are the elements that make their performances resonate with us on a deeper level. When an actor cries on screen, we feel it because it's real. Their tears are a reflection of genuine human experience, something we can all relate to. Can an AI, which has never felt anything, truly move us? It can mimic the nuances of human emotion, but can it ever truly understand the depth of those feelings? It can imitate emotion, but is that enough? Can a synthetic smile ever replace the warmth of a genuine one? Think about live music. The magic is in the imperfections, the realness. A musician's slip-up can become a memorable moment, a testament to their humanity. An AI can deliver a flawless show every night, but does it have soul? Can it capture the spontaneity and raw energy that make live performances unforgettable? Entertainment is about connection and authenticity. It's about the shared experiences that bring us closer to the performers and to each other. When we find out a performance is pure machine, it can feel hollow, like a perfect plastic apple. It looks real, but it lacks the essence that makes it truly satisfying. The challenge for AI celebrities: can they ever make us feel something real? Or will they always be just a fascinating spectacle? As technology advances, this question becomes more pressing, pushing us to reconsider what it means to connect with our idols. We're at a crossroads. Will AI help human creativity or replace it? Some see AI as a tool, like the synthesizer in music, expanding what artists can do. AI could handle stunts, de-age actors, or create wild effects, letting humans focus on emotion. In this future, AI and humans collaborate, making filmmaking more accessible and creative. But there's another path: AI replaces humans. Studios use digital actors for most roles, and human performances become rare. Art risks losing its messy, unpredictable magic, replaced by polished, soulless perfection. The future depends on what we choose to support. What do we value in our entertainment: human heart or digital efficiency? The credits are rolling on old Hollywood, and a new era is here. AI celebrities aren't a question of if, but how fast. This tech isn't just a tool, it's imitating the artist. In the future, you might have a favorite human and a favorite AI star. The world of fame is getting bigger and more complex. We'll have to decide what kind of connection we want from our entertainment. AI could bring amazing new stories, or make things feel less human. The script isn't finished. We all have a role in how it turns out, so grab your popcorn, the next act is about to begin. What kind of future do you want to see?